We're playing a game called Headmaster today. It's a VR game that's all about using your head, and as accountants you should be pretty good at that, no?
Yeah,
What's going to happen is we're going to have a mini tournament.
We're competing against each other.
Yep, exactly. Who here has played video games before?
Years ago. Yes.
Yeah.
The last time was like about 20. Yes.
So at least nobody is at an advantage.
We'll give up bigger heads.
I'm Claire Benison, I'm Head of ACCA in the UK. Essentially that means I lead on all of our activity in the UK market, working with students, members and employers.
My name's Steve Cox. I'm the Chief Evangelist at Iris Software. We do software for mission critical applications for accountants, businesses and education services across the UK.
Hi, I'm Alex Falcon-Huerta. I'm the founder of Soaring Falcon Accountancy. We look after clients from global companies and look after them in the UK and vice versa, and we specialise with technology companies.
Hi, my name is Teresa Campbell and I'm the founder of TLC Accounting Limited. I basically provide general accountancy services for individuals, sole traders and limited companies.
My name is Alistair Barlow. I'm founder and chief dreamer at Flinder. Flinder is an accounting, consulting and data analytics business here in London.
Hi, I'm Yogesh Patel. I'm founder of Telic, an accountancy and tax practice focusing on clients using business as a force for good.
Hi Rob.
Alex.
Wow!
Oh yeah.
That's a chicken!
Right, after that I'll go.
Gentle.
Into the bowling alley.
Hold to stand there, the ball hits you in the ball.
Where's it gone?
Really good.
This is a great technique. I have not seen that. Oh, it's going to be the winner. Really? Can you even get that?
It is.
Oh, yeah.
Really?
This is frustrating.
Well done.
Well done, mate. What score did I get?
Whatever. You didn't say anything. What's up with that?
It's such a broad skill set that helps you in business, helps you in life, and it's a great grounding for whatever you want to do. So,
Well, what sets ACCA apart that I've seen is that interactive nature between the members and the body itself. And the role of the accountant is constantly changing and will continue to change for the next 10 to 20 to 50 years. But actually what you need someone who's got your backing, who's there to help, who's already looking at what's going on ahead of it and helping members to understand what's coming.
an attribute that people wouldn't ordinarily think makes a good accountant is communication skills, because actually I liken an accountant to almost be a translator from what's going on in the business to explaining and communicating and translating that to the business owner.
Let's go! Oh, this is pretty cool. It's a massive dartboard. Claire, you would not miss it.
Oh, it's
Good for it.
Yo, just getting nervous now.
Oh my God! Your eyes on the bullseye.
Whoa!
Okay,
He's
what are you
gonna
doing?
go flying, isn't he?
Keep still.
Oh! Is that bullseye?
Gently move.
That's
Yay!
back.
Okay, step back. This is really hard. Just focus on the top. Come on,
Yogi, come!
Oh!
harder than my day job.
Frustrating than your day job.
like a walk in the park.
I felt so out of control, like where's it going to go?
If I could give a piece of advice for anyone embarking on an ACCA right now, I would say connect with people who have already been through ACCA, connect with those who are in the same position as you and about to embark or in the process of. Stay focused, keep hold of that original idea you had in your mind when you took that decision to commit to ACCA, and really enjoy it.
Who does everyone think is going to win?
Well, I think that would be unfair to say.
Come on.
Yogi.
No, I think Yogi might. Yogi's in the zone. Whoa. Where's the ball?
I thought it was higher.
Oh!
I'll catch it.
Hey, you're doing it. He's doing it again.
Come on, yes! Oh! Yes, yes! Oh!
I think it might be.
Yes! Yes!
That's so great.
But it's so right.
That was so hard. Oh my god, that was so hard.
Wait, just breathe.
Yeah.
You'll be alright.
Oh wow.
One
Wait.
good.
Yeah.
One more.
Go on, boy.
Ow! Think that's a win.
Keep going, keep going. On the left, on the left.
You are not my
Oh, that's fine.
Well done, mate.
Done.
Well done, Yogi. Well done.
What happened there?
The winning team is
Yeah.
Claire's team.
We came second.
Well done. Well done, guys. Well done.
We were second winners,
But of course, the individual winner was Yogi. How did you all find that?
Hard. Frustrating.
It was good fun.
But it's good fun.
It was really good fun. It was really good fun. Very frustrating the last game when I lost. or sorry, when I didn't win. And that's so lost. It's awesome to do something different outside the comfort zone. But yeah, difficult.
When you're actually like playing the game and you think that you're in control, and you actually go ahead and like say hit the ball or the dart, and then it's going this completely opposite direction to where you think it's going to go.
For me, ACCA is a passport to a global career.
Yeah, for me, ACCA is continued professional career development.
For me, ACCA is a community of like-minded professionals.
For me, ACCA is an interactive resource to help other accountants.
For me, ACCA is about building a solid foundation for your career.
For me, ACCA is continued support throughout my accountancy career.
Anyone thinking about why a profession rather than just a job, right? There's a really distinct difference, and that's really about having a relationship throughout your career. So we wouldn't be able to survive without our members, but it's not just them paying their subs every year, it's about members feeding back into ACCA. ACCA is a member body. It wouldn't exist. So that relationship of just that two-way conversation is what makes it really special and makes the distinct difference with being in a profession. You know, you're accountable, you can go on to lots of different things, but you've got that relationship with your professional body throughout your career. It's not just a job.